Good evening. Let's start with some of the questions from National Education Policy 2020. First question: in tribal areas, ECC will be implemented in a phased manner in ashram sadas. ECC means early childhood care and education. What is the name of digital learning platform launched by the government of India to enhance equitable educations for students? That is Diksha Portal. What is the academic structure or curricular structure proposed by NEP 2020? 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 pattern. What would be the primary medium of education recommended by NEP 2020 for the first 5 years of child education? Primary medium of education should be mother tongue or local language. Then NEP 2020 emphasizes teacher to be at the center of the fundamental reform in the education system. Next question. According to NEP 2020, learning should be holistic, integrated, enjoyable, and engaging. What is the pedagogical structure the Indian education system follows as of now? That is 10 plus 2 pattern. ECC shall be delivered through a significantly expanded and strengthened system of early childhood education institution consist of standalone Anganwadis, standalone preschools, Anganwadis co-located with primary schools, all of these. At what age would a child formally start his education according to NEP 2020? Age that is 3. National Education Policy plans to prepare an initially cadre of higher quality ECC teacher in Anganwadis by current Anganwadi worker teacher will be trained through a systematic effort in accordance with the curricular pedagogical framework developed by NCERT. Anganwadi worker teachers with qualification of 10 plus 2 and above shall be given a 6-month certificate program in ECC. Anganwadi workers or teachers with qualification lower than 10 plus 2 shall be given a 1-year diploma program covering early literacy, numeracy, and other relevant aspects of ECC. All of the above are correct. Move to next question. Ministry of Education was renamed Ministry of SRD in which year? In 1985. Who among the following chaired committee for evolution of the new education policy? TSR Subramaniam. Who among the following chaired committee for the draft preparation for the draft of national education policy preparation in 2019? Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan. National Education Policy NEP 2020 targets 100% gross enrollment ratio GER from preschool to secondary level by which year? Correct answer is 2030. NEP 2020 aims to increase the gross enrollment ratio in higher education from 26.3% to 50% by which year? By 2035. With regard to multiple entry and exit option in UG stream, undergraduate stream, which of the following pair is not match? Certificate after 1 year is there, advanced diploma after 2 years is there, bachelor degree after 3 years is there, bachelor with research after 5 years, it is not correct. So this is not correct. So as per the NEP 2020, teaching up to least what grade to be in mother tongue or regional language? That is grade 5. How many out of school children will be brought back into mainstream under NEP 2020? That is 2 crore children. National Curriculum and Pedagogical Framework for Early Childhood Care and Education for children up to the age of 8 will be developed by which organization? That is NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. It was established in 1961. An implementation plan for attaining universal foundational literacy and numeracy in all primary school for all learners by grade 3 by 2025 will be prepared by the different states taken taken to implement this program. Vocational education will start in school from the which grade, that will also include internship. Vocational education will start from 6th grade. National curriculum framework for school education NCFSC will be developed by NCERT. As per NEP 2020 National Assessment Center, Parak will be set up as a standard setting body. What does letter R stand for in Parak? It is review. Which among the following does not find mention in NEP 2020? Gender Inclusion Fund is there, Bal Bhavan is there, Samajik Chetna Kendra is there. So there is no place for zonal talent hunt. What does letter P stand for in NPST that finds mention in NEP 2020? P stand for professional.